cut like a boss. DEWALT's 20V max circular saw. Power, precision and portability in one beast. Why struggle with weak, clunky saws when you can slice through wood like a hot knife through butter? The DEWALT 20V max 6.5-inch circular saw, DCS 391B, delivers an insane 5,150 RPM motor, providing the power and speed needed for even the toughest cuts. Whether you're tackling framing, ripping, or bevel cuts, this saw has your back. Its lightweight magnesium shoe ensures durability without dragging you down, making it perfect for job sites and DIY projects. With DEWALT's trusted engineering, you're getting pro-grade cutting precision that lasts. No cords, no limits, just pure cutting dominance. Not all circular saws are built the same, and this DEWALT beast is in a league of its own. Thanks to its 0 to 50 degrees bevel capacity, you can cut at virtually any angle with insane accuracy. Need to rip through 2x4s or trim plywood sheets like a pro? The 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade handles it all with ease, cutting 2x material at both 90 degrees and 45 degrees. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend warrior, this saw delivers pro-level performance without the complicated setup. More cuts per charge, more projects completed, less time wasted. Forget tripping over extension cords or hunting for outlets. This saw is powered by DEWALT's legendary 20V max battery system, meaning you're free to cut wherever the job takes you. It's fully compatible with other DEWALT 20V batteries, so if you're already in the DEWALT family, you're good to go. Need to make quick, precise cuts on site or out in the field? No problem. This lightweight, battery-powered beast delivers maximum mobility without sacrificing power. Get the job done faster, smarter, and with zero hassle. Big power doesn't have to mean big fatigue. DEWALT has engineered this saw with an optimized rubber overmolded grip, ensuring maximum comfort and control during extended use. Whether you're making straight rips, deep cuts, or aggressive bevels, the ergonomic handle keeps your hands steady and strain-free. Compared to bulky, outdated models, this sleek, well-balanced design reduces wrist fatigue and improves cutting precision. Better grip, better balance, better results, every single time. DEWALT doesn't mess around when it comes to durability, and this saw is no exception. The high-strength magnesium shoe provides rock-solid stability, ensuring long-term cut accuracy even under tough conditions. Whether you're working on-site or in your garage workshop, this rugged powerhouse is built for the long haul. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this saw stands up to wear and tear, making it a true investment in your toolbox. If you want a circular saw that works as hard as you do, DEWALT has you covered. Get yours today and cut with confidence.